In this tutorial, I will show you the digital heritage items available in Chinuk Wawa and how to access those items. On the home page, scroll down to Browse by Community and click on Chinuk Wawa. On the Chinuk Wawa homepage, look on the right side. Under Protocols, click on Chinuk Wawa Language Community. Here, you can request community membership, which will provide access to all community resources. After creating an account and logging in, you will have access to the materials. Now we will return to the home page by clicking on the NILI symbol in the top left of the page, or the home link just under that symbol. And again, we will scroll down and click on Chinuk Wawa under Browse by Community. To access Chinuk Wawa materials, scroll down and click on Browse All Digital Heritage in Chinuk Wawa. Chinuk Wawa materials are organized in collections. You can see these by scrolling down and looking on the right side of the page. Click on Show More in the box to see all Chinuk Wawa collections. Chinuk Wawa 101 collections contain course materials for teaching the Chinuk Wawa 101 course. Each week typically has a syllabus, handouts, tests, and audio files. To return to all Chinuk Wawa material, click on Chinuk Wawa at the top of the page in the tan box. There are also a large number of units for teaching Chinuk Wawa to K through 12 learners, with topics like basketry, the alphabet, canoes, cordage, longhouse, salmon, berries, and others. Clicking on the basketry unit, these units have digital heritage items such as storybooks, audio files, and curriculum. Going back, I will click on Chinuk Wawa at the top of the page. I will also point out here that if you scroll down and look on the right side of the page, you can browse by category or by media type. Here I will click on media type file, limiting my browsing to PDF files. To open a file, simply click on the heading, the title of the file. For each digital heritage item, you will see the item appear in the middle. On the right side of the item, you will see information about the item. Below the item, if you scroll down, you will see a summary. Below that, you may see related digital heritage items as well as dictionary words. Scrolling back up now, if you look just under the item, you will see a link that will open the item. Click on it to open the item. There you can look at the item, and you can also download the item for PDF files. The link is typically in the top right of the screen. Now I will go back by clicking the back arrow in my browser. Again, if you go down, you will see related dictionary words on some items. You can click on the dictionary word on the left side to open that dictionary word. On the dictionary word page, you see the word and a translation under it and part of speech next to that, with the audio below that, which you can listen to. On the right side, you may see related digital heritage items. You may also browse dictionary words through the menu at the top of the page, where it says dictionary, but I will leave that for another tutorial. Clicking on search results, I will go back to the Chinuk Wawa PDF files. Clicking on Chinuk Wawa at the top of the page will bring us back to all Chinuk Wawa digital heritage items. Last, I'll point out that if you simply scroll down, you will see a display of items. And at the bottom, you will see that there are many pages of these items. These are simply organized based on the date they were last edited. You can sort these differently if you go back up to the top right of the page under Sort. For example, if you click on Date Changed, you can choose a different option, such as alphabetical. Going down, you can see that this isn't too bad of an option if you're wanting to look at Chinuk Wawa 101 materials. At any time, you may click on the NILI symbol at the top left of the page to return to the home page of the NILI Resource Center. Thank you very much.